Hi, this is Espen Christoffersen with Cisco here at ISE 2019. I'm demoing the Webex RoomKit Mini. This is the latest addition to our RoomKit line. It's a small system designed for small meeting rooms and hold spaces. It's got a very wide-angle camera. It's a 120-degree field of view. It's got a built-in microphone beamforming array. It does all the automatic camera features that we have on the rest of the portfolio, and we can also do the USB pass-through mode, so you can use the Webex RoomKit Mini as a webcam when using your third-party software-based clients like Skype and so on. So for more information, you can go to Cisco pages, and we have all the information posted available there.